today I'm going to show you how to use the brand new airlift system we've installed on this pop top here. The idea behind the airlift system is that you don't have to do all the heavy lifting. It does it for you. We're going to show you how it works. You're going to like it. You'll be pretty impressed with it. Once you've let the airbags release all the air in them, then you can bring your pop top down. It does take about 10 to 15 minutes for all the air to disappear from the airbags, but once you've done that, it's just a matter of pulling it down like normal. Pretty simple to do. You always do the front first, and then you'll work your way towards the back and just make sure that it all tucks in nice and neatly.